If it tells you that the number has been truncated instead of rounded, then we need to use a whole different method for it. So what do they mean by truncated? So truncated means that they literally just chopped the end of the number off, but they didn't do any rounding up or down before they got rid of the ending. So that means that what we know is that the numbers that we've been given, which in this case are 6.57, were part of the original number before it was rounded. We just don't know what came after that. So we've got 6.57, a line so that we can see we're on them. So after that could have been anything. So it could have been a 0 followed by any other number, could have been a 1, could have been a 2, could have been anything else, all the way up to obviously a 9 in that place. So it's set to 2 decimal places, so we've got the tenths, the hundredths, so we're focusing on the thousandths column. So it could have been anything, as I say, from 56.57 with a whole bunch of zeros. That would be the smallest it could have been. The largest it could have been is down here, 6.57 with 9s going on forever. So now our minimum or lower bound is here, and our maximum or upper bound is here. So of course this minimum we would normally write as just 6.57, no point in writing all those zeros. And because we're going to use that nice little less than symbol, this one at the bottom is going to become 6.58 in our error interval. So our error interval is going to look like this. So I'm going to just squeeze it in the middle here. So it's going to be 6.57 less than or equal to, I'll use H for height, is less than 6.58. So the height, the minimum height this tree could have been, would have been 6.57 meters exactly. The maximum it would have been is 6.57 with a whole bunch of 9s, but if we were working in a more practical situation, we'd call that 6.58.